What up, guys? Just wanted to make a quick video for one of my viewers that purchased X-Noise from Waves. Okay, so after you load, let's see, Waves Central, and go to install, and then you choose the one that you have, which is X-Noise. It will install it, and 9 times out of 10 it will put it in your program files times 86. Now if it's not in times 86, look in program files. There's program files and program files 86, and then VST plugins. If that isn't there, search your computer for this Wave Shell. Wave Shell. Okay, here's a tip, okay? Here's a program I have. It's called Everything. So go to Google and search Everything, and it'll be a program that has a magnifying glass like this, and it literally searches your computer better than any app or program that I've ever seen. So for instance, Wave Shell, that shows where all the wave shells that I have on my hard drives. So if you want to narrow it even more, choose date modified, and that will bring the newest one, and it'll show you where it's at. So for me, it put it in program files 86, VST plugins. Now load up Sony Vegas, Magic Vegas, whatever it is now. Go to options, preferences, VST effects, and you have 3 different folders you can put in. So right here you can see that I chose program files 86 VST plugins, and it will load it, and as you see, mine is right here. Make sure you have the check mark. If it doesn't show it, try hitting refresh, and once it lists that you have it, push OK. Bring in any video/audio file, hit this button. Okay, this is your audio effects, and that brings this up. Then let's see, let me clear it totally. Alright, we hit this, it brings up a list. Here's all the plugins that come with Sony. So go to VST, and if you only have purchased X-Noise, that's the one you will see. Double click, hit OK. Boom, it's loaded. Now here is the general setting that you want to put it on. I put reduction all the way up, attack to 0, release usually around 10, hit resolution on high. Now go to save, put into preset menu as, and name it. I named mine e.v.p. So now whenever I load it, I hit load, e.v.p, both, boom, there it is. And of course, to use it, you just hit learn. I just installed Windows again, and I'm trying to get everything fixed correctly. It's doing that stuff again where when I'm recording, it doesn't want to play. But that's how you do it. So you'll hit learn, and you'll see, hit it again, and as you see, it's over, and you can raise it up higher. The higher this is raised is the higher above the sound. You want to put it pretty close above. Below is removing no noise. You want to do it about there. So, hopefully this helps you. And I still have a lot of things to change in Sony Vegas. And when I do, I will record it and I will share it with you guys. It's kind of a good thing that I'm having to reinstall everything again. As you can see, activate Windows. I haven't even activated Windows yet. Just upgraded my system. I got the AMD 3900X CPU and a new motherboard and 32 gigs of RAM. So that's pretty dope. But anyways, hope this helps, and if you have any more questions, let me know. And for anyone else, the X-Noise that I'm speaking about, that's of course the main app that I use, and you can go and find it, Waves X Noise. $89. It's normally $400. So you just buy it. You can also download it and get it for free, but you know. But yeah, you can get it there, and $89, it's a pretty good deal. Especially if you follow my channel and see the EVPs that I capture because of this app. It just brings them out. Bring them out, bring them out. Anyways, alright guys, have a good one.